Okay, so today I'll be looking at Opera Neon. I will be giving my first impressions and I'll be installing it. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is click download now on opera.com/computer/neon. And then you just click download now, whatever OS you're running. I'm running Mac, but... Then I'm going to download the disk image like you always do. Then opening it. You accept the terms and conditions. Yeah, you sell away your soul to like Opera and Chinese investors. But there we are. So now that I've sold my soul, I'll open it up. So, yeah. It should open, yeah, so I'll click OK, open. And Opera Neon's meant to look like a next generation browser. And as you can see, it takes my lovely wallpaper and it makes it the background. I've slightly customized it already, but you can change stuff. Yeah. So let's say I didn't want medium. I actually don't want that. I don't like the New York Times. So here is a kind of layout. And because apparently you can't have DuckDuckGo, I'm going to use Bing for this example. So let's say when I look at it, so I go like, I search up Sandro Linux. So as you can see, it opens up a tab. I open up sandrolinux.com. And as you can see, it opens up my website, but it's like a desktop environment almost. So this is a pretty interesting idea. This project's been like this certain, like Opera has been making it for about they've been making it since like 2017. But as you can see, there are quite a lot of bugs. Like sometimes it just turns white. So that's not good, but you can pretty much search using this. It looks very modern. You can minimize windows, get rid of windows. I don't need to put my Mac on charge. But you can open up new tabs. So let's say I was looking at The Verge. Then I wanted some YouTubes. Then I actually wanted some SoundClouds. Then I actually wanted some Mashables. Well, you can open them all up. And as you can see, they're all running. It's like tabs, but as you can see, it looks like a desktop. So if you live and work in the web, I guess this is a cool concept for you. I might not trust Opera that much, but it's a cool idea. There's stuff like open a website to Snap. Then I can take a photo. You know, these types of tools. Then I've got a gallery of this all. So I can see the glory of a YouTube stock page. And you have quite a few features. You can open up, you know, incognito tabs. Everything looks very minimalist in this OS. Don't mean OS, I mean web browser. But it almost feels like an OS. But for some reason it doesn't have that many search engine options, but I'll take it, really. It has Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask Jeeves. Oh dear. Goodbye Jeeves. He no longer exists. But yeah. So it asks if I want it to be my default browser. I don't really want it as my default browser right now. I have better options in this, but it's a very cool concept. If somebody like another like somebody like I'm not sure. Somebody like Firefox made something like this. I would really use it. But I'm not totally sure on using an Opera product anymore because of all the spying concerns. The weird loan situation where they've sold people these really high interest predatory loans before. So overall, it's interesting, but I might not use it as my daily driver. Oh yeah, and also when you go into the incognito tab, it will have a different background. And as you can see, there's a thing going like shh, because it's incognito. So that's cool. It has a thing that lets you play videos from websites without changing tabs. So yeah. So there's a lot of potential in this idea. Since these days, basically the most thing that most people use is their web browser. And I'm really interested in web browsers and I use them a lot. It's kind of like your desktop environment these days, quite honestly. And that is one cool idea. And I like how it suits itself to what your desktop is like, so it almost feels at home, even just the first time you boot it up. I'm not totally sure right now how I actually change the stuff on here, but hopefully I come to figure that one out. Of course, it has a task manager, so you can tell what it's doing. And yeah, so it's pretty interesting, but I'm not sure how to change these towels, and having lots of ones which are sponsored and stuff might be a bit annoying, but you can always dismiss them all, like this. And it also has a nice animation. Although if you don't have the best PC, then you might not be able to see it well. But yeah, it looks pretty clean when you have a setup like this. It could have a lot of potential. Although one thing, it's very buggy currently. And when I, let's say, search up OK, sometimes it doesn't search, sometimes things go weird. So they'll need to fix that, but there's a lot of potential, as I've already said. So yeah, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you smashed that like button, or just hit it gently. Nobody needs to smash it too hard. Yeah. You can follow me on LBRY and Odysee. They're great decentralized platforms. There's also a platform called DTube, which is another great decentralized option. And yeah, that's cool. And you can, of course, share this video if you found it informative. You want more people to know about Opera Neon. And you can... ring-a-ding the ding-a-ling bell, as Austin Evans says, but I just knit that one. But anyway, yeah, so you can follow me on Google Keen, Pinterest, all these platforms, and yeah, goodbye.